Alright guys, so I have an update regarding the Pixel case and the whole eBay thing. So I just got off the phone with the manager at my post office and I was 100% scammed, and she's going to send me everything in email so I can resubmit that to eBay, and hopefully they can open another appeal for me and see that I was scammed. So what she told me was, I started explaining everything that had happened, and I told her the whole story about, the shipping to Florida and coming back from Bronx and what the item was. And, I gave her the full story just so she could, see what was going on, because I was hoping she'd be able to send me some information. And she actually gave me more information than what I was expecting. So once I started telling her the story, she stops and goes, "Are you," and says my address. And I said, "Yes." And she said, "I actually have two packages here waiting for the postal inspector that are yours." And I said, "Oh, that's weird. Is it a phone, or, like, you actually have them right now?" And she's like, "Yes, it's not a phone." She said they're two packages of index cards. So if you guys remember the first video, what I had said was they told me it was delivered to a school, and the school got a box of school supplies. And I always thought that the buyer had taken the label and used my tracking barcode and put the school's address on there and sent them something random. And that's 100% what happened. I was completely correct the whole time. She said he actually sent, it looks like, 3 boxes of index cards using copied label or copied tracking barcodes and fake labels that didn't have any kind of payment or anything attached to them. They were fraudulent labels. So she's sending me pictures and a whole, description of what happened and everything like that to my email. So hopefully I can resubmit this to eBay and they will refund my money back, which would be really nice because I had to refund this buyer $657.71 and they entirely scammed me. So that is that. I'll update you guys with what happens after this, but that's where we're at right now. I got that information finally from the Postal Service, which is great, because that is kind of the piece that eBay says they need, to hopefully open my case again and hopefully side with me.